If OneDrive is showing the 0x8004De44 error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple steps to fix it quickly and safely. This issue is often caused by an unstable internet connection, a VPN or proxy interfering with sign-in, or OneDrive getting stuck in the background. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to refresh OneDrive, sign back in, and, if needed, reinstall it. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, check your internet connection. OneDrive needs a stable connection to sign in properly, so make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is working. If your internet is acting up, fix that first before moving on. Also, if you use a VPN or a proxy, turn it off temporarily. In some cases, OneDrive can't connect correctly when a VPN or proxy is enabled, and that alone can trigger the 0x8004De44 error. Next, restart OneDrive completely. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. In the list of running apps or background processes, find Microsoft OneDrive. Right-click it and choose End Task. This forces OneDrive to close fully, which helps clear out temporary glitches or stuck sessions. Now, reopen OneDrive. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, then type OneDrive in the search bar. Open Microsoft OneDrive when it appears. If OneDrive asks you to sign in, go ahead and enter your Microsoft account email and password. If verification is required, complete that step as well. Sometimes just signing in again is enough to refresh the connection and clear the error. If you want, you can use a Microsoft account email such as an Outlook, Hotmail, or Gmail address that's linked to your Microsoft account. The important part is making sure you sign in with the correct account that's connected to OneDrive. After signing in, give it a minute or two to settle. Then, once again, press the Windows key, type OneDrive, and open it again if needed. This helps confirm that the app is launching properly and syncing as expected. In many cases, the error disappears right after a clean restart and a fresh sign-in. If you're still seeing the problem, the next option is to reinstall OneDrive. Open the official OneDrive download page from Microsoft, click Download, and then run the installer once it finishes downloading. Reinstalling can repair damaged files, update the app, and fix sign-in issues that a normal restart can't solve. Once the reinstall is complete, open OneDrive again and sign back in. After that, check whether the 0x8004De44 error is gone. For most users, one of these steps solves the issue: checking the internet, disabling VPN or proxy, restarting OneDrive, signing in again, or reinstalling the app. If this tutorial helped you fix OneDrive, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy Windows troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.